Hey everyone, today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC on New Jersey. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in New Jersey using an app which is called Busy. So I will provide you every up-to-date information that you need to know with Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first, what is Busy and why we use Busy? So Busy offers a sort of tools for project management, team collaboration, and workflow optimization, all in one intuitive interface. Whether you are a startup or a well-established company, Busy helps you boost your productivity, enhance communication, and drive growth. Embrace the future of efficient business management with Busy, where simplicity meets innovation. So the first step you have just to dive into busy.com as I did, and then you will find this and you click over from your free. Then you have to choose your package, but before that you have to select your entity type and your state, which is New Jersey, and entity type it's LLC of course. Once you do that, you have then scroll down and you choose your package. So the first one we have basic. This one it's for free as you can see, but we have a state fee which is $130. So it's for 3 weeks, and we have the characteristic it's paper and film the articles of organization, free first year registered agent service, online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tax consultation. Then we have the second package which is standard, and you have to pay $199 plus $130 for state fee, and it's 3 weeks. So you can see we have the same things, but we have also business tax number, operating agreement, lifetime compliance alerts, a limited phone and email support, and we have form 2553. And then we have the last package which is premium, and you have to pay $299 plus $130 for state fee, and it's for 1 day. We have domain name plus business email, and we have also here business contract templates, expedited filling, as you can see. Once you choose your package, you have just to click over get started. Then you will find this page which is company information. You have to write your LLC name. For example, I will write Mike, and you have to select designator. So I will select LLC for of course. Then here you have business purpose. For example, I'll write selling clothes. Once you do that, you have to click over next, and then you will find this page which is contact person. Please provide the name of the person responsible for this order whom we may contact if additional information is needed. You have to write your first name, your last name, your email, and your mobile phone. Then you click over next. After that, we have this page which is company address information. You have to read these guidelines or the benefits of using a private virtual mail address. Then you choose the package you want. You can choose the first, it's professional business address and virtual mail service. The benefits, it's maintain privacy by using a commercial address, a limited scanned incoming mail, a physical address for your business, and instant alerts with 7 per 24 hours access to mail online. But you have to pay $29 per month. But the second one, I'll provide my own New Jersey business address and will personally keep up with the incoming mail. New Jersey requires a physical street address. So I'll choose the second one, and I will write my personal company address. City, states also, of course, I will choose New Jersey. Then I will write zip code, and then you click over next. Then click over yes entered. Then you will find this page which is members information. Please provide members information for my LLC. My LLC, it's my name. So number of members, our owners, we have here six. You have to choose which, how much you have, how many number you are, and then member one here. You have to write your personal information. Then you click over next. After that, you will find registered agent information. About this one, you have just to read this information. New Jersey requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. Only Busy offers 1 full year of registered agent service free with every new business. Information order. Typical documents received by your registered agent can include service of process, notification of a pending lawsuit or court order, state correspondence, annual reports or statements. So I will choose as same busy as my registered agent for 1 year, or I would like to act my own registered agent. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you have to link this information, tax identification number information. An employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers who will apply and obtain your N from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the N. So I'm a foreign individual and do not have a social security. I will click over yes, then I will click over I agree. Then I will link my personal information and then I will click over next. Once you do that, you will find this page which is setting up small business banking. So you have just to read this, and then if you're interested, you click yes I'm interested, or you click over ask me later. So I will click over yes I'm interested. Then we have here tax strategy and fee consultation. About this one, what you will learn: how your LLC is taxed, how to choose your proper LLC tax election, commonly missed tax deductions, business bookkeeping requirements, how to reduce the chance of an RS audit. Then we have how to reduce self-employment taxes. So we click over the first one or the second one. So it's for free over the second one if you areas I would like to receive business tax consultation, or I'm not interested at this time. Then you click over next. Then we have business licenses and permits. About this one, we have various things like team. We have here, Busy will provide team of licensing. Specialists will conduct the research for you, will determine all licenses and permits you need to stay compliant. Receive the application along with advice to do next step via email. So if you want this one, you have yes, you click over yes, please mail out applications, and you have to pay $99. If you are not, please click over no thanks, I will do the work to myself. Then you click over next again. Then you will find the page of modify the mistake if you did a mistake in information, like information info here, as you can see, contact info, agent info, company address and contact address, member info. So you can just verify your personal information. Then you click over next, and we have here the last step. It's billing information. You have to choose people, or you have to choose credit card. Then you write your personal information here, like card number, expiry date, bill address also. Then you click over complete and pay, and you have to pay $429, and you click over I agree, and then you click over complete and pay. After that, that's it. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in New Jersey with the straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it is. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and more business tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help. I have a fantastic day ahead.